Hello and welcome to the Drag Camera Quick Start Guide. First step, go to the window, Package Manager, select DragCamera2D Pro, click Import, and that will start the import process for the new asset. Here nothing shows for me because I've already got this installed, so I'll click OK to get out of that. Then in your assets folder there will be a new folder called DragCamera2D. This is where all of the new assets are from the package. Click down here, there are prefabs. There is a new one called Main Camera. This is the main camera prefab, so we'll get rid of the old main camera and drag in this prefab. So that's in. Next thing to do is, because we're going to be doing a 2D game, we'll select 2D. Now if we go over to the inspector view, there is a double click zoom target, double click translate and double click zoom. We are going to turn these off because we do not have the item in at the moment to use this. Next we'll go down to the camera bounds where it says clamp camera. We're also going to disable that because we haven't added the bounds object for clamping the camera. Next we're going to add a 3D object, a cube, and a 3D object, a sphere. We'll set the cube to 0, 0, 0 and the sphere to 1, 1, 1, 0, just so that they're not kissing each other, social distancing and all that. Now if we click play, there we go, the camera is all set up with drag movement, zoom with the scroll wheel, and edge scrolling. And that's how you quickly set up DragCamera to use as an RTS style camera.